friends, let's find some interesting function values according to this graph. So let's begin at -1. That's our first input. So draw a little arrow, and you see when you hit 3, that's not actually the output because there's a hole there. You got to go past it over to the solid dot, and that takes you over to 4 on the vertical axis. Therefore, we would say f of -1 is equal to +4. Let's do another one here. So now let's begin at 3, and when I go up to here again, 2 is not the output because there's a hole. So you got to go past it and hit that value right there, which is +3, and then look over to the vertical axis, so that's +3. Therefore, we would say f of 3 is equal to +3. Let's do another one here. When 6 goes in, so in this case, if you look over to the y-axis, which is where the outputs are, remember, that looks as though it's about 1/2. So we would say something like f of 6 is equal to 1/2. And everywhere else is kind of predictable in the sense that, for example, if -4 goes in, then you bounce off the curve, and then you go over to -2, so -2 is the output in that case. Therefore, we would say f of -4 is equal to -2. Leave a like if it's been helpful.